so dirty.
Oh no, I'm crazy. I know how I did it. I don't know. Heartbreaker, all yours.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see in the title of this video, I am doing a 3-week review on the product GLEAMIN. Hold on, let me show y'all. So the GLEAMIN is a brightening vitamin C clay mask. So it's a 3-week challenge and today is actually day 1. So I cleanse my face and then I'm just going to try this and then I'm going to come back in 3 months and then we're going to, 3 months. I'm going to come back in 3 weeks and I'm going to let y'all know how this product worked. But before we get into that, if you are new and this is your first time to my channel, hey, how are you? You might as well just hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get it started so we can get into the skincare, this lifestyle situation. So just hit that subscribe button. If you are a current subscriber, hey y'all. I got this actually right after I came back from my trip from Colombia, but I was trying to hurry up and get those Colombia vlogs out and some other stuff. So now I'm getting to this. So this is the box. It's really cute when you open it. It's glow time. That's cute. Then you open it, and then you have this and the GLEAMIN clay mask. So what is this? I think this is like the brush or the scooper or something. Oh, it's cute. Yes, I was right. Like this is the little brush. And then this is the clay mask. Take that off. Oh, okay. Okay, it smells kind of good. It smells like natural, clean, like a small little scent to it, but it smells good. It smells like very, very natural. And then this is what it looks like. So I'm probably going to use all of this that's on the lid or whatever. Okay, let me look up the instructions. Blah, blah, blah. You apply it evenly to a clean face. I already did that. Then we're going to sit this on my face for 10 minutes, let it fully dry. Then we remove it with warm water, pat dry. That's it, no moisturizing? Well, it depends on how it feels. Like if it don't feel right, then I have my watermelon glow pink juice that I got from Sephora. I love this stuff and it smells just like a juicy cute little watermelon. So yeah, we'll be adding this if I don't feel moisturized. I'm just saying. But yeah, this stuff is really good. So what's in this before I even put this on my face? With turmeric, aloe vera, instantly enhanced skin for a luminous bare face glow, stain free and formulated to work on all skin types. This is vegan and cruelty free. If that matters to you, I don't think that matters to me. Okay, now right back to what I was saying. What's in this product? Oh, ingredients. It's like everything is like on the side of the box, so this is really cool and helpful. And this box is so cute. Okay, ingredients. Kaolin, Australian clay, kaolin. I don't know. I'll put the link in the description below if you guys are interested in this. I don't know. Aloe vera leaf juice, castor oil, something I can't pronounce, aqua, citric acid, sodium citrate, something else I can't pronounce, almond oil, grapeseed oil, glycerin something, another glycerin something I can't pronounce, yellow Australian clay, turmeric powder, turmeric extract, kale extract, desert lime extract, kakadu plum extract, okay, finger lime extract, bergamot essential oil, jasmine essential oil, ylang essential oil, vitamin E, natural, and then it says vitamin B5 and something acid that I can't pronounce. So so we have a clean face. It's dry now. Ooh, maybe I should take my ring off. I love my ring. If you guys on my latest travel vlog, you know I got this for my birthday, a baby emerald and Columbia. So yes, I love this ring. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay, let me take it off and let's just get started. I'm just gonna take this like so. Oh dang, that's a lot. And we're just gonna, oh, this is cold. And we're just gonna put it across the face. I'm trying to make this as even as possible because I don't want like certain spots to be super bright and certain spots in my face to just be like dull and ashy looking. So I'm gonna try to make this as even and as spread out as possible. Move that around. Move that. Like, I don't know what's going on, but as I've gotten older, like, I've been getting spots. I get, like, random chin hairs on my face. I'm getting moles, like, all on my neck. Like, what is life? Like, when I was a kid, I didn't have no problem. Like, granted, all I had was dry skin. Like, that's it. Like, I didn't have any acne or any of that. But this adult stress, I don't know what this is called. Adult acne? Stress acne? I don't know what the heck. It's not even acne. It's just, like, random little spots on my face. I don't know where it came from. Like, who invented this? Like, I went through high school, college, no issues. Puberty, no issue. Well, I didn't start it backwards. How do I say high school, college, puberty? That was stupid. But y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, I done went through my entire life with no acne and no skin problems. And now I get random pimples and shit. Like... Okay, so that is it. And now I let this sit for, I think it said 10 minutes. Yeah, so allow 10 minutes for it to dry, and then I'm going to remove it and then pat my face dry. We'll see about that. So I'm going to do this for 3 weeks, once a day, and then I'll come back in 3 months. Why the fuck do I keep saying 3 months? In 3 weeks and show y'all the results. Okay, guys, it's been 10 minutes. It's actually been a little over 10 minutes. I was on the phone, so you know how that go. Okay, so this stuff is like getting on my shirt, and it's like getting on my phone. It's getting everywhere, so it is time to wipe this stuff away. Okay, so I got it all. First try, so of course, like for me, I never noticed anything the first time I do something. So yeah, this is the first try. This is day 1, and I'll be doing this for 3 weeks, and then we'll see the final results. Alright guys, so this is week 3 of the GLEAMIN Clay Mask. So I'm just going to wash my face, put this GLEAMIN on for the final time, and then I'll give you my review. So first I'm just going to take this Aveeno foaming cleanser. I don't feel like using my touch or anything else, and I just found this right on the cabinet, or right in the cabinet, or whatever. In a little closet thing, I don't know. The medicine cabinet, yeah. So here's my little facial cleanser. I'm just gonna wash my face before I apply the mask. Yeah, it's been a long day. I was out at work and stuff and walking around outside, and you know, it was polluted and people everywhere and germs and stuff. So let me just wash my face before I put this mask on. I just want my face to dry a little bit. I don't want to put this mask on. This is what I have left after 3 3 weeks, and I will say it was on and off, on and off. Like I would be consecutive for like 1 week, and the next week I'd be kind of on and off. But I use it for the most part for the 3 weeks. So. Okay, guys. So it's been past 10 minutes, so it's time for this to come off my face. This product, I don't know the proper term for it, but for now I'm just gonna say that this product sheds or flakes or whatever. So like if I move my face, you can't see it on this camera, but if I move my face, then like the residue of the product just falls, and it's a lot of it, and it just falls. And then, all right, so let's wipe this off because I'm ready to give my final take on this product and let you guys know if you should buy it or if you shouldn't buy it, and you should just use some turmeric and call it a day. So let's see it. And this is the final look of my face. What's all this noise about? Okay, let me finish this video because it's loud. There's people walking around, my dog trying to die on me. It's too much. Okay, now this is my face afterwards, nothing on. I'm gonna say that my face looks the same. I really don't see like this brightening glow that GLEAMIN was advertising. My face looks the same. Let me put a little moisturizer on for you guys. Oh, hold on. Alright, so let me put a little moisturizer on. Right now I'm using the Glow recipe, the Watermelon Glow moisturizer. Just rub it in, rub it on my face. Okay. So I have like a little glow with my watermelon moisturizer, but I don't really notice any like major difference from the GLEAMIN. I'll insert a picture like right here or whatever. I'll insert a picture like right here of like me like a few weeks ago just chilling, and you can see my face then and now you see my face now. So that concludes this video. I really would not recommend buying GLEAMIN. I mean, you can try it if you want. You may get different results, but honestly, you can get the same results if you just put turmeric on your face for about a month or so. Oh, and I forgot to say, don't forget to subscribe. So if you watched this video and you enjoyed it, then subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.